If your faucet handles are hard to turn, it's probably time to replace those cartridges or valves before things get worse. So when your faucet handles feel stiff or just won't move smoothly, it usually means the cartridge or valve inside is worn out or gunked up with mineral deposits. First, shut off the water supply under the sink so you don't flood your place when you start working on it. Then, take off the handle carefully. Usually, you'll find a little screw hiding under a decorative cap or behind the handle. Once you're in, pull out the cartridge or valve. Sometimes you'll need pliers, but be gentle so you don't break anything else. Take the old part to the hardware store to make sure you get the exact replacement, because these things aren't one size fits all. Before installing the new cartridge or valve, clean out any mineral buildup inside the faucet body with some vinegar or a mild cleaner. That's what often causes the stiffness. After swapping in the new part, put everything back together, turn the water back on, and test those handles. If they still feel sticky, you might want to add a little plumber's grease on the moving parts next time you're at it. It really helps with smooth turning. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing hard-to-turn faucet handles is not turning off the water first, which can cause leaks or water damage. Always double-check that the water supply is completely off before you start. Another common issue is buying the wrong replacement cartridge or valve because they vary by brand and faucet model. Bringing your old part to the store avoids this problem. Lastly, people often forget to clean out mineral deposits inside the faucet body, which just makes the new cartridge work harder and wear out faster. A quick soak in vinegar or gentle scraping clears that up nicely. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their services, making the whole process way smoother for everyone involved.